Hey guys, today I'm joined by my girlfriend Trin and that's perfect segue because we're reacting to some of my old videos that are very cringe. So here we have one of my first videos.
Crazy Shazam drawing.
Yeah.
Let's check it out.
Hey, what's up guys? I'm Big One. Today, since the new Shazam movie is coming out soon, I'm going to be drawing Shazam. Unfortunately,
Surely this is copyrighted. I don't know.
You know how that intro dragged on for like way too long?
It's like 1/3 of the video.
The entire video is you just
Hey guys, the new Shazam movie's out.
Okay, let's mute it because, yeah,
the music's loud. Alright. The drawing is pretty good though. Like,
yeah. I'm pretty sure though
Look at
for
how
this
cute
one,
and little his hands are.
I didn't have enough markers, so I didn't have anything for the skin color, so I just left it.
the drawing is good, but 45% of the video is just you talking with music so loud you can't even hear it.
I love the quality of the video as well. Oh.
What?
Yeah.
Okay.
The transition. Oh,
Okay.
wow.
Interesting crosshatch.
Yeah. I love the eyes too. Let's see if I show them, or if I'm just gonna
I think
show
you're
them.
hiding a lot of this features by zooming in.
No. It's definitely no reveal. Wait, here. Let me.
Yeah, let's listen to that last one.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, feel free
Can't even hear
to like,
myself.
comment, and subscribe.
So that's an earlier video, so let's see if the quality gets any better with the next one.
Nope.
So this one is almost like 6 months later or so. So hopefully it'll be a little bit less cringe. No promises though.
Ooh, spooky.
Did Kiana do that?
Yeah. That's my sister.
What's up guys? I'm the Davidic One. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing this. Pretty cool.
Love the pausing.
Iron Man, so I hope you guys enjoy.
Oh my okay.
And I missed the.
Listen,
Guys,
Tom.
ready to transition?
dude.
Oh my goodness.
My man, we forgot the script halfway through and just gave up. Gave up on the jump
Your
Ju-
sister was probably
keep
so
rolling,
proud.
Kiana. It's okay.
cut. How many times did you think you attempted that?
Hopefully just once, based on me not saying it correctly. I don't know. It might have been a couple times.
All right, let's see
My
what we
sister
get.
going in and out. You can turn the.
Mute it.
I think this is copyright-free music, but
Yeah.
we got my school Chromebook.
Is this the challenge to draw it quickly?
Yeah. So this one's 10 minutes, and then I do 1 minute 10 seconds. Yeah.
I would feel stressed.
This one I don't think turned out very good. If I remember. He looks a little janky.
Looks like my glasses went on there.
Dang, we got Logan's glasses. Cameo before I even met him.
The drawing's pretty good, pretty standard, but those intros are just they're
That one, I don't know. At least
Spectacular.
I like a little skit.
there was effort, there was a
Yeah.
skit, I liked it.
If
The
I
music is so obnoxious, I'm sorry.
copyright-free music.
The most Giga Chad jawline of all time. And then they got my hairline included.
I feel like it had potential, the intro, if I pull it off better.
If you took a few classes with Mr. Beast, you would definitely have the intro down.
Ah.
I'm excited for 10 seconds here.
This one's just real time, no sped up. Oh, and the papers all over the place. Why does he have a window on his face?
And he cheated anyway.
Right over the time.
You really love to zoom in on your shots.
Yeah, well, at least this one I showed the final result. The first one, it was like,
Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Really liked it. And don't forget to like, comment.
I can't hear anything.
yeah, the music is way too loud.
Also, that shirt in the background, he still has it in his closet. at
No,
that
I
same
don't. I
house.
literally don't.
So we still
Until
haven't.
next time, I'm the Davidic One.
Until
Good
next
night.
time. I'm the Davidic One.
So we still haven't figured
I
out
mean-
audio balance in this one
Yes,
yet.
I think that took me a while to get. And for the first, like, solid 3 years, I'd say.
Poopa chicka, poopa chicka, poopa chicka. Keep talking.
It's just super loud music
As we're talking,
as we're talking.
let's move on.
All right, this one's called Kevin Hart Art Challenge. And little fun fact about this one, this was actually edited using professional software. We had a family friend who was like showing me how to use, I don't even know what software it was. It's probably like Premiere Pro or something. Still cringe though, I'm
Alright,
sure.
Let's see what we got.
Hey, what's up guys? I'm the Davidic One and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing
Braces.
a 10 minute, 1 minute, 10 seconds art challenge and I'm going to be drawing
Art
Kevin
challenge.
Hart. Hope you guys enjoy.
Gotta take
Their
that.
eyes look so,
The grease from the forehead.
and his eyes look so dead in that as well.
Gotta.
Bro,
Those teeth are
why are
wild.
those teeth so big? I don't even know there's enough room for his whole head.
Overtime. We're gonna do a time challenge where I only have 10 minutes. All right, overtime.
I think you just wanted to make it so it actually looked somewhat like Kevin Hart.
Yeah, and failed miserably.
You could have just like said, "Oh, I just cut it." Could have just. Cut it.
Well, I think it was pretty obvious. There's like no time left. And there's
Kind of
all-
looks like Ice Cube almost instead of Kevin Hart.
His jaw's like, ooh. That one looks like Sid the Sloth.
Let's see.
We got a cameo from Sid the Sloth.
He looks like the guy like everyone's supposed to see in their dreams.
What?
You know what I'm talking
Your
about?
paralysis,
Have you
sleep paralysis demon.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Have you seen the
The hat guy or whatever.
that like video of like there's a suspect and the drawing of him is just like like that, and then he has like the hat. Apparently they
the-
actually found the dude.
We have a lot more detail, but I'm not sure if it's Kevin Hart or his deformed cousin 3 times in a row. But again, the drawing's always good. It's just these intros and outros are beautiful.
And the music is too much.
We got Kevin Liver instead of Kevin Hart. Outro time. Okay, I just want to say that the outro is a bigger section than the actual drawing. The intro plus outro is longer than the drawing itself.
We're trying to get that YouTube watch time up.
Yeah, with that pretty
People
face.
are definitely clicking off by now.
Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure
You kinda look like the guy in the back.
comment, and subscribe
Yeah,
for
that
more content.
fun fact, that was not drawn by me. That was done by a street artist.
It's a caricature of you?
Yeah.
Yeah, it
caricature of
literally
me.
looks like you.
If
He
wanna
did
see my latest
good.
video,
Uh-huh.
click here. If you want to see my
Huh?
previous video, click here.
I remember when I figured out I could do that, I was so.
But this
impressed
isn't
with
your
myself.
next video.
No, it's like my
No,
most
but
recent
it-
video.
It
Oh.
algorithmically
Subscribe,
chooses.
Yeah.
Click here. Until next
I'm like,
time.
yo, I'm sick.
Peace.
Ew!
Man just
I don't know.
headbutts every camera. in sight.
Oh!
Hey guys, I'm gonna be doing art.
And now the final one.
What's up, guys? I'm the Davidic one, and welcome back
The
to another
mustache.
video here on the channel. If you're
On
new here,
the
you can
channel.
Here on the
Yeah,
channel.
I can tell right now you've been watching a lot of PewDiePie videos from that intro because I was very PewDiePie-esque.
So, if it sounds like something you'd be into, make sure that you hit the subscribe button.
We got
down
the
below.
animation.
Wow.
I know, I'm
We got the keyframing, the tracking. 20 seconds in, I'm still in the
We got the
intro.
nice-
I'm going to
stash.
be customizing my water bottle, and I'm going to be showing you guys
Oh, you
how to
still
do
have
that,
that.
and the
Yeah.
process that I
It's
follow
very
when
damaged
doing
now,
it.
but
This is
still
actually
have
my
water
first
bottle.
time doing it, so
Why are you going? Like you're
okay,
nervous.
okay. No,
Bob,
well, I think
This is actually my first time doing this.
I don't remember exactly, but in the first videos, it was definitely because I was nervous. But for this one, I think I was also trying to like act more natural, so not just staring into the camera the whole time.
But then you
But
ended up
but I'm just like looking
You're
all
like
around.
those little wobble things on the side of the road.
Bobbleheads.
No, to promote businesses
Wavy-
that go.
Oh,
Flailing
the
inflatable arm flailing
yeah,
tube
those
man.
dudes.
to be winging it and bringing
I
you
love
the
the
lavalier
edits.
along
mic.
the ride.
Yeah, the lapel
Without
mic.
further ado, let's get right into this video. Hope you guys enjoy.
Come on, hit him with a yes.
First,
Ew!
We
This
got
isn't-
the title: How to Customize Water Bottles, Hydro Flasks.
It's not. It wasn't a
Hydroflasks is
hydro
interesting.
class.
How long was this?
David?
Or water bottles / hydro flasks.
Those are also water bottles.
Okay, I was just trying to be trendy, you know. They were a big thing
It was
back then.
2021. That was 2 years before
That was a trend.
Fact check.
Fact
When
check.
did the Visco girl trend? Mid to late 2019. Boom! I'm right. I'm always right.
Okay.
40 seconds of intro, not too shabby.
You gotta keep that.
Very
in
rough
mind.
drawing.
Input on the water bottle. So here you can see out the front and the back.
With some dirt in it or something.
Yeah, let's get going.
Heck yeah.
Yeah. a
David
little bit messy.
famous for not washing his
so
water
right now,
bottles.
Hey. Whoa, it's so clean. That's what it
Wow.
used to look like.
Used to be a nice water.
I don't know if
It didn't come off really well, I don't think.
cleaned off too well.
I still
Can't
remember
stand it.
things.
Alright, so apparently the white pencils kind of get stuck on it, so I'm going
Really?
to use
Aww.
regular mechanical pencils.
think that's water in
sketch out
it.
the
Yeah,
design,
it's definitely water.
And I'm going to go and go
And dry it
over
off
with the
first.
white pencil.
That bottom part fell off.
Like 90% of this video is like you explaining how white pencils work on water
So,
bottles.
we're a minute 50 in, and we're about
Why'd
to
you
start.
keep that in?
You just gotta add the length. You know?
Yeah, trying to get those watch hours.
Wow.
Oh, I did use the white color pencil.
Probably to add more contrast so you can actually see.
Yeah, it was kind of
You're
hard to see.
good. This is awesome.
This would be so hard to draw.
Hello.
Isn't that from Five Nights at Freddy's?
I don't know.
The balloon boy. He goes, hello?
Could be.
FNAF friends, let us know in the comments.
It is.
I think this is when I first got like paint markers, so I wanted to like use them for stuff.
Yeah, this design is cool. I feel like the art has gotten so much better.
True.
Compared to the first few videos we watched.
Yeah. Have you seen this water bottle like in person?
I don't think I have.
Okay. Because like right now it looks
It's
so
so
bad.
bad.
Like the paint is like all like chipped and peeling everywhere, and the bottom part completely fell off. Oh.
Yeah. That part's
Some
non-existent.
ASMR foreshadowing.
I love how it's moving.
I'm a big fan of the ASMR. I think that makes your channel blow up. Oh,
I think I did cross hatching on this as well. I don't know. We'll have to see. It's been a while since I've actually seen what this water bottle was supposed to look like.
no. This is the first video that I could actually sit down and watch the whole thing of. Like those other two, I don't know. I don't know if I could have done
Even with the shorter length.
it. Yeah.
I don't know, like, I feel like the video quality isn't bad, but it's just kind of, like, too long. Like, I could have cut this up a bit better.
I love you have the same pants and you still wear those.
What? I do?
Yes.
I didn't see. Which pants were they?
The pants.
The pants.
They're ratty now. He's actually wearing good pants. That I
Yeah,
bought him.
Trin got me nice pants. And she says all my pants are ratty.
Because they're all from.
From 3, 4, 5 years ago.
Why would you buy clothes? Yeah, just
Yeah.
have
Because they
clothes that
look
work.
ratty.
My clothes still work.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks cool.
Why'd you do the outline?
Yeah.
before
Well, I think
you
just
put
to
it?
kind of, like, plan where everything's
Oh, okay,
going.
yeah.
Oh, that's
The
zoom in.
scales.
I like the music.
Yes. Copyright-free music. I finally figured it out.
And it's kind of like with the theme, like a dragon theme.
True. I think that's planned. I probably looked up like
Like-
copyright-free dragon music or something.
Like Chinese somewhat sounding music.
Yeah.
Wow.
It still works.
Same color.
We can customize this water bottle.
Yeah, we can use this video
Customize on
to
the
customize
on the
any water bottle.
logo thing. Trin's gonna customize it. Let's see who's faster, Trin or old David with a sped up.
Oh, we're fading.
Oh.
We're fading.
Oh, into another song. Yeah, back here I remember I used to always be scared to like cut anything out, so I would make sure I included every single part of the drawing.
Why
Even
was you
if
scared to cut it out?
I don't know, I just want to show the whole process, you know.
Oh.
It's like
Just so you know what he's making.
in filmmaking they call it like you have to kill your babies or something. Like professional filmmakers will take
Oh,
like
yeah,
tons of
so you have
like
to cut stuff.
cinematic shots, and like
Mhm.
even if you really love a shot, sometimes it doesn't like add to the specific video, even if it's like an amazing shot.
Mhm.
So yeah, that's something I have to learn. Well, I think I've gotten better at
I
that.
think you've gotten way better, but
I
like,
don't use every single shot I have.
yeah, and we will be using every shot of this video.
Yes, of course.
hopefully.
No cuts.
Your wrists are so little.
I like how I'm wearing my Christmas pajamas as well.
That's so cute. You're like, oh, thanks, Mom and Dad. This is a great Christmas. Anyways, I'm gonna go and film a video.
Literally. And I have like every light in my room turned on just to try to get good lighting, but I think this one's like a little bit too close and bright.
Yeah, it's very warm.
Uh-huh. Got that.
But yeah, look at that drawing. Turned out so well.
Yeah, I was pretty happy with this.
Yeah.
Bringing it to school, flexing on everyone.
Would you have been
Customized.
graduating high school at this point?
High school still. It's probably older than some of you guys watching. That's so sad. But don't worry. If you guys want to make YouTube videos, you gotta start somewhere. So just pump them out. Make your first 10 videos. Don't care about it because they're gonna be bad unless you're like some amazing child genius prodigy
Or you
person.
happen to be a professional
Yeah.
videographer
But then,
and editor.
it wouldn't be your first video anyways.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Paint with it?
Yeah.
I
Probably
love
should have
that.
added a bit more of that, I guess.
I still have that exact bottle. Of
Why
it.
don't you bring it here?
For what?
I don't know. I could use it on some of my paintings.
Okay. I don't know. It's kind of weird. It like peels off as well. It didn't.
Oh, that's great.
Ooh.
I like that edit actually. I don't mind it. But I don't like the desk. I think it looks cool.
That's literally a Game of
That was a
Thrones
stool.
intro.
Yeah. Not bad. Yeah, that part kind of. A couple of these.
Yeah, that's how I
shots-
recorded it. It's a stool and a green screen in the background.
Yeah. A couple of these shots could have been cut out. But
Yeah. See, like, before I didn't show my drawing at the end enough. It was like a quick, like, boom, and then it's back to the
Now it's too
outro.
much.
But now it's like a little bit too much, I'd
It's
say.
featured, you know.
Yeah, this is all gone. This is half gone.
And
his
that's the
logo's
whole thing.
gone.
I thought this was super cool. I, like, edited, like, the 3 kind of sides. Well, it's hard because it's a rounded surface, but it looks like it's like connected.
Jumping.
I think I actually do a cool edit where I bring them together. Let's see.
Let's do the edits.
Do I do it? Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
Hey, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it.
I like
If
the
you
mustache.
did, make sure
Where
that
are you looking
hit
up?
the subscribe button and ring the notification
If
to
you
join
did.
the Davidic army.
Army.
I was trying to like, you know how people have like names for their fan bases. I'm like, what should I have it?
The
Davidic
children.
army.
The Davidic ones.
The Davidic ones.
Okay, anyways, I customized my water bottle and I made it look exactly like David's. Look at there's a little dragon, but it's kind of like a lizard. And then look at it says the Davidic one. So
Wow.
if you want to see more cool art
Top
content
tier.
like this, grab the subscribe button. Oh,
Oh my goodness. There's water everywhere. Oh my.
All right, guys.
sorry guys.
Let's finish the next 32 seconds of outro. Bro.
Maybe we should outro with this outro.
Why are you hiding? Where are you going?
I don't know. I'm ashamed.
Yeah.
Come back,
Yeah.
come back. Okay.
That
Shame.
helps the YouTube algorithm recommend my videos to more people.
Mine.
Mine.
Until next time, I'm the Davidic one.
I do like the. Oh yeah, and then I made this like ending screen thing.
Yeah, the end cap.
We have Inktober 2020 something one, 2021 I think,
Oh.
and then we have just my wall. But yeah,
That's great.
this wall's pretty cool. It's definitely better than the old wall in that first video. Let's see if I can find it. Wait, this one. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what my wall looked like before. It was just green painter tape everywhere.
Why didn't you use like?
I thought it looked cool. I thought it was like, oh yeah, it's like
You used to do a lot of 10 minutes, 1 minute.
that was my first like big series on my channel.
Big series.
Big series. It was like 8 videos long. I did every character from Avengers, and I did like 8 characters.
Do you know how many characters there are? in
Not 8.
That could have taken years. Hey, it got better and better.
But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you didn't cringe too much and had a good time watching those interesting older videos of mine. Let me know if you want to see another video like this, and peace!